Okay, so I got some rock mail, and this is from World of Rockhounds. We did a rock trade, and so yeah, I'm gonna unbox this, I guess. And so yeah. Okay, so here they are. I'll take them all out. Started. I'm gonna start with some of the smaller ones first. I'll set the camera up so you can see, so I can use both hands. Okay, so here it is. Looks like some nice thunder egg. Another one in here. Another thunder egg. Cool. It's cool. Yeah. Huh. Looks like some kind of sea maggot with some plumes in it. See that? Some plumes. It's really cool. Looks like it's from Graveyard Point. Just kind of has a similar look to it. But I think it's a sea maggot from that area. Oregon. But yeah, that's really cool. Never really had this type of sea maggot ever before. Probably cut it and polish it. Maybe cut the face off and then cut like the end off so I have more than just two halves. That's cool. Wow. That's a big agate. Nice. That's some really nice color in it. Wow. That's really cool. Nice agate nodule right here. It's kind of bluish in there, you can see. That's definitely gonna be a cutter. Along with this one, that's another nice agate nodule. Probably cut it like down that way, something like that. They'll probably have some cool bands in it, I'm assuming. Not really sure where these came from. Didn't really see any of that stuff, but those are cool. Really cool agate nodules. This is funky looking. What is this thing? Oh, here is Hampton Butte petrified wood. That's really cool. I've heard of Hampton Butte. It's got petrified wood that's green. I heard it's like replaced by copper. But he cut it and probably polish that up eventually. That's really cool. Get that polished. Be really nice. Love the green. It's cool. Really cool. Okay, this one. This must be opalized wood. Must be. But yeah, you can see there's some grains this way. I don't know if it might pick up on the camera since it's really hard to see. But it's very opaly. Oops. There must be another piece of opal. I don't know if this is opalized wood. Oh, it might be. It's kind of hard to see some of the grains in that. Well, this is definitely opalized wood. You can really see the really cool wood grain on that one. Some nice rings going this way and that way. I feel like it'd be really cool to polish that side. So then you can just set it down like this and have a nice polished slope. But these are opalized petrified wood. Another blue opal and matrix. Oh yeah. Here's another. Oh, that's cool looking. Wow, look at. Is this a limb cast? Looks like a limb cast. See if there's a note. I don't. Is this it? Limb cast. This is a limb cast. Best limb cast I've ever seen. This is really cool. The obsidian. Oh. Moss agate. Wow. That's got some cool details. Oh. Gold sheen obsidian. Okay, so I got some water for this gold sheen. He cut it. But let's see what it. Oh, right there. That's cool. I'm not really sure what I'll do with this. I've never polished obsidian before. You gotta learn eventually, so I guess I'll try polishing this. You can see the layers. That's cool. Must have cut it along a layer or kind of sloped it along the layer to get that effect. See if it goes the opposite direction. Must not, because it's cutting through those layers. That's cool. Really whole rainbow obsidian. Pretty dirty. Gonna clean it up eventually. Oh, is that the rainbow? Must be. Oh yeah. Looks like some gray stuff there. It's kind of cool. I don't see anything on this. That's all mud, I think. But right there, that's cool. It's like a little spotlight beam. I don't really know how to cut this stuff to really emphasize the rainbow. So if anyone has any tips on that, or if Kyle has any tips, I don't want to mess this stuff up. But yeah, that's really cool. Then we got the two big pieces. Look at that. That's crazy. You can really see it in there. Kind of see those layers. I don't think there's much in that side. I just need to clean it up maybe. But that's cool. Huh. Well, now we got this big piece. Nice chunk of agatized wood. That is huge. Definitely cut this piece. Not really sure how I'll cut it at this point in time, but very cool. Very agatized. Not really sure where this came from. Let's see unless I can find a note, but that he sent me. So yeah. If you haven't, go subscribe to World of Rockhounds. Kyle at World of Rockhounds. He's a really cool guy. Has some amazing stuff, as you can tell. And so yeah, if you like the video and hope to see more content, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. And yeah, thanks Kyle, I guess. Thanks Kyle. This is really awesome stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching everybody. Goodbye.